And I'm showing the next circuit in the RadioShack Electronics Learning Lab. And this is a NOT AND gate, or an N AND gate, NAND gate. I don't know what people call it, but it's the negation of the AND gate, or kind of the opposite logic going on here. And what this will do, if you think about the truth table. Well, let me just break down what we have in the circuit. We're using 4.5 volt power source for a couple things. We have our two transistors again, and if you look at the last circuit that I did before this, it is the AND gate. It is extremely similar. We've basically just moved this LED over, and we've added, we've added this ground again, and this one, and that's pretty much all that we've done to modify this. So we're using resistors as before. Let me just flip to the book and see what they were again. We have two brown, black, oranges, which are 10K, two yellow, violet, reds, which are 4.7K, and one brown, black, red, which is 1K. And again, we have these two NPN transistors and the LED. So these switches are connected like so, S1 and S2. Now before, what would happen is if S1 and S2 are off, the LED's off, or if S2's off, S1's off, S2's on, the LED's off, or if S1's on and S2's off, the LED's off. But if S1 and S2 are both pressed, then the LED's on. And this takes that outcome of the LED and just flips it. So if both of these switches are not pressed, the LED's on. If only one of them's pressed, the LED's on. If they're both pressed, then the LED's off. So that's the NOT AND gate. So let's check it out. Let me turn the unit on. And the LED comes on because both of these are not pressed yet. So if we press one of them, LED stays on as expected. Same thing if we press the other one. And if we press both of them at the same time, the LED goes off. And I don't think I explained this in the last video, but what it's doing is it's basically when you press the button, it's sending the bases of these transistors down to the ground. That's what's causing it to go off. I mean, it takes it basically makes it low or zero by pulling the bases of these transistors down to the ground. Okay. So I think that's all I have for this one. So I will see you next video. Bye bye.